In this how-to video, we will show you how to replace the propeller on your outboard motor. The first job is to remove the old prop. This is done by removing the split fin first, followed by the nut on the end of the shaft. Before putting on the new propeller, you should grease the shaft. This will mean next time it will come off without being corroded. Having replaced the propeller, followed by the washer and the castellated nut, it is just a matter of tightening it sufficiently that the castellations line up with the hole in the shaft. It is recommended that you use a new split pin, bending it over to make it secure. If you found this video useful, look up our channel, subscribe and consider becoming a Patreon.